Alright, this is algebra practice number, algebra AP47 number 15. So it says in the United Kingdom's National Lottery, you must correctly select a group of 6 numbers from 49. So there's 49 total, and you have to correctly select 6. Okay, so that would be 49 is N, and we're selecting 6, so R is 6. Alright, suppose that the contests were changed so that instead you're selecting 7 numbers. So if it changed so that R was 7. How many more ways would there be to select the numbers? So basically what we're going to have to do is figure out how many ways there used to be. And then we'll have to find out how many ways there are now, and we'll subtract to figure out how many more there are now. Meaning now being if there were now 7 numbers. Alright, so this is a situation where you just have to select the correct group of numbers. So it's not saying that you have to get them in the right order, you just have to get the group of numbers. That's why it says a group of 6 numbers instead of you have to get, it would specify if you have to get them in the right order. Okay, so that makes this a combination. So we're going to do 49, and we're selecting 6. And in this case, we have 49, and we're selecting 7. Remember, we're going to subtract these two numbers. Alright, so 49 choose 6 is going to be 49 factorial over 49 minus 6 is 43, so 43 factorial, 6 factorial. Remember the formula. Alright, so then we have in here, we have 49 factorial over 49 minus 7 is 42, so 42 factorial, 7 factorial. So keep in mind in this one, don't forget that what ends up canceling out is anything, this should say factorial, is anything 43 and below, for instance here, and here, anything 42 and below. So we're going to end up with 49 times 48 times 47 times 46 times 45 times 44, but everything else gets canceled. And then we still have over 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Alright, now over here, very similar, but it's going to be this time 49 times 48 times 47 times 46 times 45 times 44 times 43. Everything else gets canceled because it's 42 and down. And then over 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. When you do this, what you will get is 139838116. So 13, little over almost 14 million. And this you get 859. Oops, I'll do it in blue. 859,00584. So almost 86 million. And then we have to subtract these two numbers, and we should get our final answer is 71916,768. So it's 71,916,768. That's the difference.